Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. So today I want to do braids, knotless braid.
Exactly like the one you see on the screen.
My hair is very short, but I'm done wearing wig. I don't want to keep wearing wig, it's a bit tiring. I just wanted to braid this hair, and I've gone to salon to see if they can fix this hair for me, but they said it's too short. But I know within me that I can pick this hair, so I decided to braid it myself, and I want to show you guys how I was able to achieve this. So guys, I decided to do it myself, and here I am picking my small hair, doing it knotless braid. And I think knotless braid was what helped me to hold the hair firm. So what I do after parting, I start off the braid with small piece of attachment so it can hold my head very firm. If my hair was longer, I would have started with just my hair, but because my hair was short, I start with a small piece of attachment, and then as I'm braiding, I'm taking extra attachment and put beneath the braid already. Take a piece of attach and add it beneath the braid. So this is basically what I was doing. It wasn't that easy, but it was holding it very firm. So that's all I did for this braid. The pattern wasn't that neat because the hair is so short, but it was far better than what I expected. You all are going to see the finished look, so stay tuned and let's continue. Guys, please don't forget to click on the like button to give me more visibility. Please just take a moment and click on the like button, like this video, and also share with your friends. Drop a comment. Thank you. Hey guys, so see how far we've gone, and your girl is already stressed. Like, I'm so tired, but I want to finish this hair today. So basically I've gone halfway, and I don't want it to extend to the next day. So let's keep going. I love what I'm seeing already. It doesn't look that neat, but I'm impressed. Guys, this side of the hair is extremely short, and I've been contemplating on how I'm going to hold this hair, like how I'm going to fix it. But finally I figured out a way. After parting the hair, I started with my knotless braiding, but it wasn't so firm. So guys, so what I did was, after braiding the hair, I noticed that it wasn't that tight. So I took few strands of the attachment and tightened the hair very well. If you see, that's what I was doing. I brought a few strands of the attachment and tightened the hair from the root so it doesn't pull out. That was how I was able to braid the side of my hair. Hey guys, so finally I'm done with the braids. I know it doesn't really look so neat. The hair is extremely short, very short. Like, you can't believe I can hold this hair. Everyone who knew me was asking, how were you able to hold your short hair? Like, guys, nobody was expecting I could do this, but girl, I did it, and it turned out nice. I had to coil the tip because coil tip was a bit trending, because girl, I want to look different now. I want to give it all the final touches. So look at me, look at you, baby girl. How do I look? This is like 1 week later. See me now rocking my hair, and hope you love this video. Guys, don't forget to like, share, comment, and see you all next time. Bye.